Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna do uh pulls for my Vuika and Citlali. Let's go. It's a new patch, new season, so I'm gonna go. Let's go. So I currently have 29 Summon PT. The PT for a 5 star is around 71 to 75 wishes. So let's go. Wish me luck. I hope I get them early so I can save more primos for the last Archon, the Cryo Archon. Let's go. So this is wish 39. Skip Bennett. I still need the constellation for Bennett. That's good. Shop. Let's see if I can buy this one. Just one. Okay, never mind. I'll buy it later. Let's go. 39. This is 49. Wish 49. 10 pull. Skip. Oh, this is free though. You can get this call this on a quest, I think, for the new region Natlan. But still nice to get a new 4 star. 49, um, 59. Skip. Okay. Okay. Bennett constellations. That's good. Two Bennett constellation. 59. 69. Okay, skip. Okay, more Bennett. 69. 70. 71. 72. Skip. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. 72, 73, 74, 75. Gold. No. More Bennett. 75, 76. Gold. Let's go. 5 star. Oh, I lost 50-50. So you need like 150 to 180 for a guaranteed rate up character. If you lose the 50-50, the next summon will be the character on the banner. Okay, let's go. So 10, skip, Leona. Wait, let's check the shop if I can buy more. 4, let's go. 10, 20, 20, skip, more Diona Constellation. 30, 40. Please gold. No. 40, 50. I think I'm gonna have to go for Sofity 50, 60. Let's go. It's early. It's 10 pulls early. So this is Mabuika because I lost the 50-50. Let's
With the flames to
go.
guide
New
us across time,
character.
we took a land shrouded in darkness
Pyro
and used our
Archon.
own blood and tears to forge.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna full for Sitlali. This is Mabuika's support unit. So let's go. 10. Nothing. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. Nothing. So soft pity. 70. 80. Soft pity. Let's go, please. 50-50. Let's win this. Please, Sitlali. 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 Let's
I am
go! I
Citlali,
won the
from the
50-50,
Masters of the
so
Nightwind.
I don't have
I
to
have
pull
read the
for
stars and
150
seen the
to
future through the obscuring
180.
smoke. You
I
shall
just
be
needed
blessed with good fortune and have the
80.
aid of powerful allies
80
during your
wishes.
journey.
So that
Allow
saves
me
me a
to.
lot of Primo Gems, the currency you need for pulling. Let's go. Character. So I have Mabuika here and Sitlali here. That's all, guys. I just wanted to do record live my video of wishing for the new characters on Genshin Impact. Thank you for watching.
Is the
Bye.
ability to not get lost some sort of talent?